Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and I wanted to show you the host set from the mini 2024 catalog. It's called Carnival Treats, and I wanted to make a little sampler, and I started with just the stamps with black, and this is what it looks like, exactly like the stamp set, but I wanted to show how I did a few of these different ones that are different colors. So for example, the hot dog, I stamped it twice, once in pecan pie and once in real red, and then I cut out the hot dog part and put dimensionals underneath it and colored the stripe yellow for the mustard. For the, I guess, the shake or the frappuccino, I did it also in pecan pie, but then I thought it might be a little too dark, so I did a second generation here, and I like that color a little better. For the donut, I stamped it twice, so again, once in crumb cake and once in, I think this is berry burst, and then I also did moody mauve, and then I cut just the frosting off and put dimensionals underneath it so it actually looks like a donut. And then this, I initially thought it was an ice cream cone, but I think it looks more like a cotton candy. So I did, oops, I did a pink version, so I wanted to show you how I did it with markers. So first, let's see, I chose balmy blue for the second, because usually some of the cotton candy colors, oops, I'm not in the camera, are blue or pink. So did that for the blue, and then for the, usually the paper cone, I chose, what is this, berry burst. So all you do is just kind of paint it on, and then just to kind of rehydrate it, you, what's called huffing, you just kind of over the stamp. Then I'm going to do this way because I'm going to cut them out. And there you go. What do you think? Does it look like cotton candy? So I just wanted to show you the little techniques on doing different colors on the different stamps. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you're able to earn this set, this Carnival Treats, when you have a purchase over 150, you'll get some Stampin' rewards, and this is something that you can earn. I believe it's for 14. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and you'll get to see more. Thanks, and have a great day.